Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how can we populate the database table data to datagridview and insert it into a table. This is the interface of the form. It has labels, text boxes, combo boxes, buttons, a picture box, and a datagridview. This is the sample database that I have already created. It has a row with no data columns. This will be used to show our datagridview. Now let's code. We will use the connection manager class in this form, so let's initialize the connection manager construct. Then instantiate it in the form main method. Let's create a form load event for loading the connection to the database and populate it to the datagridview automatically when we run the program. Let's call the class constructor method openConnectionDbt function. This code is to connect and open the database in this form. Let's show a message that it's connected to a database. Let's call the datagridview to add a data source that is equals to the value of the class show datagridview method function. This is the function of the show datagridview method. The explanation is in the link on the description below. Now let's add a parameter value. We will select all rows from table product. This code is to populate the database rows and column value from table product to datagridview. Let's run it. Now let's double-click on Add button. Then inside let's call the class executeQuery method function. This is the function of the executeQuery method. Again, the explanation is in the link on the description below. Now let's add parameter value. So I'll go to the SQL server to create a query of insert and then copy it. Then let's put it as the value parameter of the method. Now, let's run it and insert data. So we had an error, let me try to fix it. Now let's see the insert query errors and fix them. Now it looks like fixed. Let's run it. Let's insert the data. Now let's see if it is inserted into the table. Then let's add the message that the record has been inserted. And then add the codes of populating the table rows columns value to the data grid view. This will refresh the data grid view value. Now, let's run it. Wait, let me add the barcode code to scan the barcodes and insert its record to the table. So I will copy the code out of the previous video that I have created. The explanation is in the link is in the description below. Now let's run using the barcode scanning using a camera. Understand the flow and function of the code. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out.